Hey boys and girls, today we're going to review Unit 1 Grammar. There's lots of things in this, so I want you to pay close attention, okay? Remember that a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So find your best friend that is close to you, mask up, and whisper to them, what are some examples of nouns? Okay, bring it back to your seat now. All right, so a verb is a word that shows the action in a sentence. Remember, a verb is a word, it's an action word. What are some examples of action verbs? Mask up, find that same friend, whisper to them examples of action verbs. All right, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. So it could be colors, it could be sizes, it could be how many, a quantity. So red, green, large, tall, small, 14, 17, all of those are adjectives. So find your friend, mask up, and whisper to them some examples of adjectives. All right. Now, an adverb is a word that describes a verb. Normally, these end in ly. Quickly, colorfully. Those are adverbs. They describe a verb. So think about that for a minute. Mask up, whisper to your friends some examples of adverbs. All right, head back to your seat. Now, a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. So some examples are he, she, they, it, we, them. Those are all pronouns. We're not specifically naming any one person, place, or thing. So mask up, whisper to your friend, what are some examples of pronouns? All right, head back to your seat. Next up is a plural noun, which is more than one person, place, or thing. How do you make a noun plural? Take a guess. That's right. If you said add an S to a noun to make it plural, you're right. Remember, we've studied this before. Sometimes you add an S, sometimes you add ES, IES, different rules for different words. All right, now some plural nouns are irregular. Remember, irregular means not regular. They just don't follow the rules. What are some examples of irregular plural nouns? For example, let me give you one. Child becomes children. Can you put your mask up and whisper to your friends some examples of irregular plural nouns? All right, head back to your seat. Now we're going to practice. What part of speech, noun, verb, adjective, adverb, or pronoun, are the underlined words? He wants to buy a new bike. What is he? That's right. If you said pronoun, you're correct. How about wants? He wants. What is wants? That's right. It's a verb. So let's mark these off as we go along. We've done pronoun and we've done verb. He wants to buy. What is buy? That's right. It's another verb, isn't it? New. What is new? A new bike. It's describing a noun. So what do we call that? Adjective. And what is bike? Bike is just a thing. You're right. It's a noun. So there weren't any adverbs here. So let's go on to the next one and see what they got. All right, so what part of speech, again, noun, verb, adjective, adverb, or pronoun are the underlined words? Mandy quickly ate her warm cookie. How about quickly? Now, I gave you a hint when I described this earlier. I said they end in ly. Do you remember what that's called? Quickly? Right, adverb. So quickly is an adverb. She quickly ate. Adverbs describe verbs. Her, what is her? Her is describing Mandy, but her is what? That's right, her is a pronoun. And then warm. Warm is describing Cookie. So warm has to be an adjective, right? All right, let's see what the next one is. What part of speech, noun, verb, adjective, adverb, or pronoun are the underlying words? Mom took the tired baby upstairs. Took. What is that? Mom took. That's right, it's a verb. The tired baby. Let's take a look at it. Tired is describing baby, and baby is a noun, so words that describe nouns are adjectives. Mom took the tired baby upstairs. What's upstairs? It's a place, so it has to be a noun. Good job. All right. What is the plural form? How do I say more than one baby? Babies, you're right. B-A-B-I-E-S. Because remember that rule? We take the Y off, we add an I-E-S. How do I say more than one lunch? Remember, it's got a CH at the end. That's a special rule. I say lunches, L-U-N-C-H-E-S. Good job. Glass. How do I say more than one glass? It has an S-S on the end. All right, how do I say more than one glass again? Glasses. It ends in an SS, so I'm going to add ES. That's right. How do I say more than one book? There's no special ending here, so I say books, and that's B-O-O-K-S. And last, how do I say more than one child? You're right, children. We changed that one completely. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Good job. All right, last one here. Can a word have more than one part of speech? For example, Camden jumped in the mud puddle. Well, in this particular sentence, mud is describing puddle, so it's an adjective. Let's take a look at the bottom one. The floor is covered in mud. It's covered in mud, and in that example, this word is a noun. Okay, I hope you guys are having a great start to your week, and I hope to see you real soon. Be good. Bye.